Hey guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome back to my channel, The Lioness Within. Today I'm going to show you the things that I had packed in my makeup bag for my youth event. So if you're excited for that, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first of all, if I sound sick, I am. Somebody not from the youth event, somebody else that was staying at the hotel was smoking cigarettes. I'm allergic to cigarettes, so this is what I get to enjoy while somebody is selfish and smokes a cigarette in the hotel. Great. So anyways, so we came back from our conference. Everything went well. I thought it was really amazing. So I'm going to show you what I packed in my makeup bag. So we are going to go over this bag first. I normally keep like brushes and everything in there. So first thing that I have is my Olay Complete All Day Moisturizer with Sunscreen. I use this when I moisturize. I've only used this since I was like 13. It's always worked for me. It's really great. My skin is like very soft, and yeah, so this is for combination oily skin because in like this area I get really oily and it's really weird. I don't know. No, I'm not sponsored by Olay. I just use Olay. This is the only product that I use for my skincare, or the only brand that I use for my skincare. So I also have the Olay Cleanse toner, and it has witch hazel in it. I use this after I wash my face, and then I put the toner on, and then the next product is the Olay Mist Ultimate Hydrating Essence. It's in the calming one, and it has aloe leaf and chamomile extract, and so then I put this on after I tone, and then I go in with my moisturizer. This is really nice. It's like cooling, and it feels really good on the skin. And I would love to do this in the order that I use them, but I didn't pack it that way. So I also have the Olay Cleanse Gentle Foaming Cleanser. It's 100% oil free, which I'm all for that because I get oily. So I use this to wash my face, and then I go in with the rest of my products. So I also have the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray in the matte finish. I use this to set my face sometimes. So I brought that on the trip with me. And then the rest of the products in here, or the rest of the things in here, are my brushes. So I have like my foundation brush, my powder brush, my concealer brush, and then I have my contouring brush, my contour bronzer brush, my blush brush, my highlighting brush, and then I have this brush which I use to blend my blush and my bronzer, and then I have two blending brushes from e.l.f. that I use for my base and then my crease, and then I have this brush which is like a little, I think it's called a pencil brush. My lighting sucks, I'm sorry. And then I have two flat brushes for shimmer products, and then I have this brush which I use for my lower lash line. But other than that, I have these eyeglass wipes, and that is everything in my clear bag. Now I have this bag which I use for my makeup. Both of these bags I got from Walmart. I don't know if you can still get them because they're constantly changing each bag. If you want something like this, I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. But yeah, I got these from Walmart. So this front pouch right here, there's two different pouches, and one little pouch right here, like you could put stuff in, which I don't do that because I feel like it's a little weird. So this front pouch will go in first. So in this I have two eyeshadow palettes. I have the Dream Street palette from Kathleen Likes and ColourPop. I love this palette. It's super pretty. I just love the shades in it. And then it's like nice and small to travel with too. And then I have BH Cosmetics Royal Affair. I got this at Kohl's when I was there Christmas shopping. So it looks like this. I love BH Cosmetics. They're one of my favorite eyeshadow like companies. I have the Zodiac palette from them and all of that, but I really like them as a brand. And then I have the Hard Candy Glamouflage foundation. They say this is full coverage, but I had hair dye right here and it still came through. So it is not full coverage. I would say maybe like light to medium coverage. I dyed my hair on Friday and I had hair dye over here and it did not cover. For concealer I had the Tarte Shape Tape. I had a Katy Kat matte lipstick from Katy Perry and CoverGirl in Pink Paws, which is a nice like pink shade if you enjoy that. I have my usual mascaras, the Lash Princess and the Katy Kat Eye. I had the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in 315 Brown Deep for my eyebrows. I had the Physicians Formula Eye Booster eyeliner in Ultra Black. I had L'Oreal Color Rich and Beyond Pink lip liner. MDM Flow lipstick in Retro. It's a super pretty like pink color. Then I had the L'Oreal Color Rich in Toffee, which is a super pretty like brownish color. And then I had the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in Very Black. And that is what I had in pouch number 1. Pouch number 2, I had a Real Technique sponge for my baking. I had the Too Faced Sweet Tea. Yeah, Too Faced Sweethearts Bronzer in Sweet Tea, which this is my favorite bronzer. It's super pretty and it's really nice. I had the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 05 Fair to set my face with. And then coming up on the last few products, I had the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I had the Mellow Cosmetics lipstick in Posh, which is my favorite nude lipstick. I have the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Plum Rose that I use almost daily. And then the last product that I have is the J Cat Beauty You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in the shade Bella Rose. This is my favorite highlighter. I'm obsessed with highlighters. It's my favorite. And then the last thing that I took was my mirror, my big mirror. Yeah, there's my messy makeup area. So those are all the products that I took with me to Pittsburgh. So yeah, I thought it would be cool to show you what I take in my makeup bag to places. A lot of these products are my favorite products. Some of these products I'm testing out to see if I like them, but the majority of them are what I use on a daily basis. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to join the Pride and subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time that I post a video, then go ahead and hit that notification bell. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!